top of this console. The power switch to the console is at the back, okay, at the back here. So this is step number 3. Pressing it once, this console will be turned on. It will take a few seconds, up to 1 minute, before this console is completely ready. So we're just waiting until this console is ready to use. And as we turn on this console, this motorized stage will do some self-checking. It will move itself around like this. It will move all by itself. That's the exact reason we need to remove the objective cap before turning on the microscope console, because we do not want the stage to bump into this lens cover. This is a piezo stage, more fully motorized piezo stage, and the movement is very precise, down to tenths of a nanometer of the precision. We do not want it to bump into any of the hard objects like this lens cap or the objective lens, because this is going to cause this internal damage to the motor. Okay. Alright, now this console is ready. All we need to do is to press this button. This is touch screen. Press start operation, then the microscope will be turned on. Okay. In this microscope system here, this is the illumination arm. It has an upright position. This is when you're using the built-in lamp to illuminate the sample. Or if you do not need to use this one, for instance, if you're doing single molecule experiment, use laser as a light source. Do not need to use the lamp attached to this illumination arm. Then in those cases, we will put it in a tilt position to save the space on the top. Okay. Alright, so this one is on, and then while you're preparing the samples, usually you want to keep the lamp on so you can see those samples clearly. Okay. But once you're finished with this illuminating the sample, say you have a flow cell already mounted to the sample stage, you no longer need to use the lamp that is built into this microscope. All you need to do is to go to this console, just tap on this DIA, this tab. This is the page that controls the brightness of your lamp. Typically, when we're using the laser to illuminate the sample and the single molecule experiment, we will tune the brightness of the lamp all the way to 0. Okay? Because again, what we're doing is a single molecule measurement. We want to measure the fluorescent signals coming from your catalyst. We do not want to have any of the external light that can actually contribute to the background. So when we do experiment, we actually turn off all of the lights there and then keep it in complete darkness. Okay, so we want to tune it all the way down to 0, so we do not have any of the external light hitting the sample. Okay, now this one's ready. The rest of the things would be mounting the your cell onto this chamber and then start a single molecule measurement. And then I will leave this part to Ekta to explain. Please refer to the other videos to see how to properly mount the cell and then perform the data collection.